Soakat Explosion. The Bridge Group and 2AJ Records presents Soakat Explosion. Soakat simply means soaking and atmospheric music. Soakat music gets you soaked into the spirit. Soakat gets you acquainted with the spiritual atmosphere. With this reason, do not miss this edition of Soakat Explosion. Ministers for this Soakat Explosion are the spiritual woman herself. Queen Let is rapping live. Joyce Blessing, the unbreakable. The Sinkete Hitmaker, Ohima, Eunice. Pentecost Joshua, the prophetic worshipper. Apostle Abba, Rita Inshra, the woman of the moment. Mebe Ochery. Osai Blessing, the Awayobosu. And Royal Mary. The host pastor for this Soakat Explosion is Reverend Joshua Bafo Ewa. Soakat Explosion is going to be held on Sunday, 23rd of July, 2023 at Victory Abundant Chapel International, Asuyebua, adjacent Maranatha Hospital. Time 4 p.m. sharp. For more inquiries and sponsorship, contact 0240-824095 or 0242-963015. Soakat Explosion. Get soaked into the spirit. Be acquainted into the spiritual atmosphere.
The wind that blows away.